Welcome back to Motorhome Lifestyle TV. Imagine this for a moment. You're driving along a quiet mountain road. Golden sunlight fills the sky. The road curves gently ahead, and there's no rush, no noise, no pressure. You pull over at a scenic spot, open the door, and step inside your motorhome. But instead of a basic vehicle interior, you walk into a space that feels like a luxury hotel suite on wheels. Warm ambient lights glow softly. Premium leather surrounds you. Clean modern lines bring a sense of calm, and everything feels perfectly placed. And the most surprising part is this. You didn't need a massive, oversized RV to experience this level of comfort. In 2026, something major is happening in the motorhome world. Travelers are slowly moving away from big, bulky RVs and choosing small luxury motorhomes instead. And once you understand why, it makes complete sense. Today we're diving deep into why compact luxury motorhomes are replacing big RVs, what makes them so special, and why more people than ever are choosing smart, stylish, high-end campervans for their travel lifestyle. If you've ever dreamed of luxury travel without stress, this is the journey you'll want to take with us. For many years, big RVs were seen as the ultimate symbol of freedom. More space, more rooms, more features, and more presence on the road. But over time, many owners realized that bigger doesn't always mean better. Big RVs can be difficult to drive, stressful to park, expensive to maintain, and limited when it comes to narrow roads, small towns, or scenic routes. In cities, villages, coastal roads, and European countryside paths, large RVs often feel out of place. They restrict where you can go and how freely you can travel. This is where small luxury motorhomes come in and completely change the experience. These motorhomes focus on what truly matters: comfort, design, efficiency, and freedom. They give you everything you actually use without the extra size you don't need. European luxury campervans are leading this movement. These motorhomes are designed with one clear philosophy: small on the outside, premium on the inside. From the exterior, they look sleek, modern, and elegant. Clean body lines, refined paint finishes, stylish wheels, and a design that blends perfectly into both city streets and natural landscapes. They don't shout for attention, but they quietly express quality. Step inside and the transformation is instant. Soft touch materials welcome you in. Natural wood accents add warmth. Carefully placed LED lighting creates a calm and cozy mood. Seating areas feel comfortable and inviting rather than cramped. Dining tables fold and slide smoothly into place. Storage is hidden everywhere, smartly designed so nothing feels cluttered. These interiors are crafted by people who truly understand travel, not just living in one place, but moving freely and comfortably every day. One of the biggest surprises in modern small luxury motorhomes is the bathroom. This is an area where older big RVs often disappointed. Bathrooms felt basic, plastic, and poorly designed. But in 2026, compact luxury motorhomes have completely changed the game. You'll find hotel-style bathrooms that feel clean, modern, and thoughtfully planned. Separate shower spaces, stylish sinks, proper toilets, smart ventilation systems, and premium finishes are now common. Some designs use sliding walls to create space when needed. Others feature fold-away sinks and hidden storage. The result is a bathroom that feels like a real bathroom, not a compromise. Many of the most popular small luxury motorhomes today are built on trusted platforms, like the Mercedes Sprinter and Fiat Ducato. These bases offer smooth driving, strong and reliable engines, advanced safety systems, and car-like comfort. On the road, these motorhomes feel stable and quiet. There's less vibration, less engine noise, and a much more relaxed driving experience. Inside, luxury brands transform these platforms into refined living spaces with leather captain seats, digital control panels, touchscreen systems for lighting and heating, climate control, and smart energy management. Driving one feels closer to driving a premium SUV than a traditional motorhome. Space is often the biggest concern people have, but modern design has completely changed how space is used. Beds fold neatly away. Tables disappear when not needed. Seats transform into sleeping areas. Storage is integrated into walls, floors, and ceilings. At night, the sleeping area feels calm and private, with soft lighting and comfortable mattresses. In the morning, everything transforms back into a bright, open living space. The real reason people are switching to small luxury motorhomes isn't just about size. It's about experience. These motorhomes are easier to drive, quicker to set up, and far less stressful to manage. You can park in more places, explore tighter streets, stop at hidden scenic spots, and travel without constantly worrying about space or restrictions. Big RVs often limit your journey. Small luxury motorhomes open it up. When you compare the two, the difference becomes clear. Big RVs offer more rooms and more size, but they also bring higher costs and more stress. Small luxury motorhomes focus on premium quality, easy driving, lower running costs, and greater freedom. In 2026, travelers care more about quality than size. They want better design, better materials, and better experiences, not empty space. In 2026, these motorhomes are also becoming smarter than ever. Many compact luxury vans now feature touchscreen control systems that manage lighting, temperature, and power usage. Smart lighting scenes adjust the mood instantly. Energy-efficient batteries and solar panels help you stay off-grid longer. Some systems can even be controlled through mobile apps or voice commands. This level of technology was once reserved for luxury homes, but now it's part of everyday motorhome living. Big RVs often struggle to keep up with modern tech, while compact luxury motorhomes are built with the future in mind. These motorhomes are perfect for couples, solo travelers, digital nomads, weekend explorers, and full-time van life enthusiasts. If you want comfort without complexity, style without stress, and luxury without excess, this is the direction travel is heading. Now let me ask you, would you choose a small luxury motorhome or a big traditional RV, and why? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. There's also something deeply emotional about traveling light. Less worry, less maintenance, and more time enjoying the journey. Small luxury motorhomes encourage you to stop more often, explore more places, and travel more freely. You're no longer managing a machine, you're enjoying a lifestyle. That sense of freedom is something big RVs often can't offer. So why are small luxury motorhomes replacing big RVs in 2026? Because they're smarter, easier, more stylish, more comfortable, and more future-ready. They match how people want to travel today. Luxury is no longer about size. It's about how it makes you feel. And small luxury motorhomes make you feel free. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of luxury motorhome travel, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel. Comment below with your favorite style of motorhome. And if luxury on wheels excites you, subscribe to Motorhome Lifestyle TV for more stunning tours, expert insights, and future-ready motorhomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.